Relevant authorities shame nationwide Swachh Bharat mission and Swachh Survekshan scheme in Manipur by failing to clear garbage in Hatta. Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal and Traffic Police jointly raise awareness on traffic signals and traffic rules to avoid road mishaps. And Thangal Naga villages of Mayankang Ningthopam village holds Jangi Hangi festival celebrations with traditional fervor and gaiety. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham, bringing you the top stories and latest news. Nationwide Swachh Bharat mission and Swachh Survekshan scheme initiated with an aim to keep the country neat and clean remained a farce in Manipur due to the inefficiency of the authority concerned to execute the same. Mounds of garbage at Hatta under Imphal Municipal Corporation testify the same. Impact News came across drains flowing freely on the roads in the area. People express apprehension that vegetables, meats and other food items sold in the area are all contaminated, which may lead to health hazards. Amid the crisis, Imphal Municipal Corporation, IMC and Maho Department, who are the responsible authorities for keeping the city neat and clean, failed to own up their responsibilities and remain inefficient. People urged the authorities concerned to take appropriate measures without further delay.
Matam kaya mamang ni tungla bising ni isang thangzil laglay bising ni Imphal Municipal Council aduga Maho Department aduga Mailay Nabo Authority Government of Manipur na hyper drain sing si athu matam da masi sengduoga ising selhan bi bani khangde kaino mechanism on puthoga high process solution athu matam tawina ba government ni market no rokseri loi na mafam masida khundari basi akoi gi Ramzan thani hojik 90% fasting to ba kangpu ni masida gi tholakpa manam ma aduga the mahik matang adi haksang soknai oi port kaya thololoi hangai lete.
Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal and Traffic Police jointly conducted one-day awareness program on traffic signals and traffic rules today. Taking part in the event, Traffic Police DSP Binoy Kumar stated that the awareness program aimed to reduce road mishaps. Traffic rules violators, including big shots, were arrested and imposed fines as a part of the program.
Traffic rules follow to view aduga akoi sidai signal light system su akoi recently amu hogjare ado so far hoji pawda public na masi majmapung phana indabadong na tori masi in view adu maramdi hayeng traffic signal sing si in ba kangbuga indaba kangbuga ani tholok matam dadi ain ba kangbu su in ba kangbu su accident tholok matam dadi ani mak awa tamina gani traffic ki duty tawriba personnel sing na lepu nataga chalu haiba matam da madu chapchana respect to biraga in view adu ngasi ekon organize tawriba program si smai sinjaba si yam nungai adu angang sing su yamna yauri aduga angang sing su sigum awareness si yumda ahal sing na su adum angamba thakta adum sandokpiu adu eba taragadi akoina traffic rule si hena follow to sir si phajan bagi mathakta accident thokpagi sang se handan gani aina ai chapchana thajaba thamse.
2-day-long celebrations of the 32nd Jangi Hangi Festival of Thangal Naga community kicked off today at Mayankang Ningthopam village on the theme Revitalize our traditional culture. Traditional songs and dance performances and sports events were the main highlights of the opening day of the festival. Managing Director of Bharatiya Infra Project Limited BIPL, Ningombam Ibochowa, Chief of Mayankang Ningthopam Village BK John, local pastor Reverend KD Pungsim, village heads and representatives of Mayankang Ningthopam Youth Club and Women's Society attended the opening ceremony. Speaking in the event, Chief of Mayankang Ningthopam Village BK John stated that Jangi Hangi is their crucial ancestral festival. He maintained that the festival is celebrated every year in the village since time immemorial. He also mentioned that traditionally 5 days before the festival, the village chief plants mustard saplings in his garden and the condition of the same plant predicts the year ahead for the villages. BK John further stated that ritual ceremonies are performed during the festival to ward off any ill fate upon the village. The village chief also mentioned that women visit their respective maternal homes and gave blessings for a prosperous year ahead. Attending the ceremony, BIPL MD Ningombam Ibochoba expressed happiness that residents of Mayangkang Ningthopam village still keep the age-old traditions alive. MLA Fungyar Assembly constituency K. Laishio lamented that once rich ancestral cultural heritage is getting extinct in the wave of modern time. Taking part in Tangkhul community's ancestral fishing festival held at Tadet local river in Pungyar constituency of Kamjong district yesterday, MLA K. Laishio maintained that the fishing event was held since time immemorial before the onset of cultivation season every year. He stressed the need to keep alive such ancestral events by the present generation to make own one's unique identity in this diverse world. Villagers gathered at the river bank at night before the event and started preparing by collecting the barks and roots of local trees known as Yayi and Rupuigru in Tangkhul dialect. Early on the next day, villagers adorned themselves in traditional attires and partook in the fishing event. They pounded the roots and barks of the trees in the river to let its juice mix with the river water to aid in fishing. The community then feasted on the freshly caught fishes, reliving the age-old tradition.
Masigi culture se ngasi tawrak panate thaina de tawrak pani masi se akoi Christianity lakpa amadi taibong chawkhat pa gi matung ina chana ba thakna ba farming tawrak pa adui tung dadi sigum masi chatna dre na hongna na masigi akoi culture tradition si ngak na ba sumaina tawrami ha si ut na ba amadi turen se regenerate tawba ha badi sideng nga sing se ano ba amuka kakhat na ba akoi gi culture ngak ka ba mapan gi chatna ron se akoi nong gi sina henjalaktana akoi rakpasi loina kaur kadore aduna masigi si ngasigi yai thabsi culture gi tradition gi folk song saaga dance tawraga thaina gi chatnarakpa akoi custom si ngasi si mi mayam haurakpa naharon singbusu utpa amadi si manghandana ba preserve tawnaba hotnabani.
Tengnopal Battalion of 26th Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of IGAR South confiscated brown sugar worth around 1.16 crore rupees from an auto rickshaw driver at Kudingthabi Permanent Vehicle Checkpost yesterday. The arrested person is identified as 40 years old Jampao Kungsai, son of late Gaukozan from Kudingthabi village. Impact News sources said that the personnel team acted on a reliable tip-off and conducted intense frisking at Kudingthabi checkpost. The team recovered 42 packets of orange-colored powder suspected to be brown sugar, weighing approximately 582 grams, including the packing material concealed in the body of an auto rickshaw bearing registration number coming from More to Kudingthabi without any passenger. As a part of the security measures taken in the state, Imphal West Commando team conducted cordon and search operations in Thangal Bazaar areas like Dharmashala, Delhi Motors Empty Avenue, Hotel Nongin, Hotel Sangai Continental and Major Khul today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP operations, Imphal West Police, Aribam Ganashyam carried out the search drive from 5:10 to 5:45 this afternoon. Altogether, 260 individuals were verified during the drive, out of which 9 individuals who failed to produce any identification documents were handed over to City Police Station for further verification. Prescribed outfit Kanglaipa Communist Party Military Council KCP-MC in a press release has claimed that it has received complaints of molestation on 3 girl students by a priest of Catholic school Kanchipur. The prescribed outfit declared to probe the incident and warned of strict action against failure to clarify the matter within 2 days. And once Sagolsem Sobha from Langathel Kaithel Macha refuted the allegations charged against his son Sagolsem Chittaranjan on media by one Puyam Bineshuri from Langathel Mayai Laikai under Khongjong Police Station yesterday. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, S. Sobha stated that both the families agreed to marry off Sagolsem Chittaranjan and Puyam Bineshuri after their consensual elopement. But Bineshuri later approached a women's forum rejecting the marriage proposal and instead demanded a compensation of 50 lakh rupees. Sagolsem Sobha maintained that during their negotiation talks, his family agreed to pay 2 lakh rupees to Bineshuri. Meanwhile, the accused man, Sagolsem Chittaranjan, expressed that whatsoever is found guilty should be awarded befitted punishment. He said that he will accept any befitted punishment if he is ever found guilty, but if Bineshuri is found guilty, she should be punished accordingly.
Moina, I could see the Maranze. I see Queen Yaniti Hazabani. I did. Harry, but I queen Hanan Pimsa in low way. High ability. I queen and Yanabay Takan Hongzian at Tingrabamatunga Zida. I don't wait, I see by Quiggy. Kari Lady having when I say, but coming with the people from the Wakalaga. No people from the Quiggy. Harry was the Mama give the Moina Waham or Matunga Quina. Hongdona Wapamzi. She days that Moina. No Pimsa in high. I did Lainary but has the ID labing of zero in Mohan high never. I queen a low way has a vanity have. I have a queen in Pamsas and so. Maggie Moons the low mana, Namoro had a queen of so, man so pins a dread. As he pinned giving a tangaxi the Moyena, Nupimsaga, Nipamsaga, and easy Puna Lamina, we are already in a Moinalang, Helloke, Hyraponeva. Aina, I angam Zava, La Ani Pigena, Highway one, Asumarangiti, Lady Va, a queen and La Libra, Moina La Libra.
Body of a Sen miner, 42-year-old Thangjam Kunje, son of Lal from Ukongsang Mayai Laikai, who was washed away by Taubal River at Lairong Thil in Taubal district, has been recovered. A combined team of State Disaster Response Force, SDRF and Manipur Fire Services recovered the body around 10 this morning. MLA of Hariak Assembly Constituency, cum Education Minister Tej Radhesham, Mahut Minister and the IFCD Minister inspected the rescue work on site. The deceased was drained away by the water current of Taubal River while quarrying sand around 9:30 a.m. yesterday. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on EC issuing notices to 3 media houses for displaying poll surveys predicting results of general elections. And keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. The Election Commission, EC, has issued notices to 3 media houses for displaying poll surveys predicting results of general elections. It has sought explanation from INS India Private Limited, Economic Times and Swaraj Mass Media as to why action should not be taken against them for violation of provision of Representation of the People Act. They have been asked to respond by tomorrow. Kanglei Imalup Gil held its 9th Foundation Day observance at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking in the event, KIL President R.K. Sanahanbi stated that the Women Association has been taking pivotal roles in resolving issues concerning the state in its short span of existence. She urged government to be aware of people's sentiment. Sanahanbi stressed the need to take measures to curb the rising rate of crimes against women and children. The association wished for peace and harmony in the state on the occasion.
Asigumba crime mayam man nupida chataba crime angang macha phawada sangagi lichatlanarapa machi ngasi pali balenga kasina asengba chumba amatang yade haibadu thamanjaningi akanba chairak pihanjaningi adu kanglei malumna miyamna torbo khrimangta ju hanbalaitana thodang yajagini aduga ngasi mak tholiba tabada nungaitraba thodok kaya china maram oiraga iramda machaya maichalakadra haibadugi
Ibudho Maijrao Lakpa Pakangbat Thaugallu felicitated renowned Pena artist Hemam Achau today. 79 years old, Hemam Achau from Moirang Them, Laibujam Laikai in Bishnupur district started playing Pena since 1991. The association honored Hemam Achau's 28 years long dedication and utter devotion in reviving and keeping alive indigenous Pena tradition by presenting him a cash reward of 50,000 rupees and a cert. Peace and Development Coordination Committee PDCC distributed pollinets to 32 selected farmers of Kundrakpam constituency today to facilitate them in propagating various plants. Speaking in the distribution event held at Kaibi Haikrak Mapal, PDCC advisor and Rajendra alias Boy asserted that mere cultivation of paddy is not enough in this modern time, stressing the need to cultivate varieties of crops to boost farmers' income. Rajendra asserted that he sponsored the pollinets to help farmers enhance their livelihood.
Koigi kaitare hoji poli house leitabani koina cherang tor mateng te kupe si kupa matamda ti ko ningbuju thungde aduga sarju phajaba watle nungsana hena phubu jaga yawi aduga yam kitang phubu jaga jawi dum charji yam phajade
ngasi Manipur mi pan tang handana bo honari ba lomi singi damakta prime minister gi package mayam ma mamang de leir ma be agri gi hoti gi package mayam ma sahi kun kuntra do leir ma bo ngasi pani yele si yen gidre.
A fashion studio of Genesis Mission Private Limited named Annie Medley was opened at Moirangkom, Chingakham, Nongthombam, Leirak today. Secretary of the Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Dr. Chitung Mary Thomas inaugurated the studio located near Brajula Institute of Sciences. Various products of international and national top brands will be made available in the fashion studio. One 18-year-old Salam Dhaneshwar from Takil Kongbal Mayai Leika in Imphal West District under Lamphal Police Station went missing since May 12. Salam Dhaneshwar is 5 feet 5 inch tall, has fair complexion and elongated face. He was last seen in a sky blue colored t-shirt and a maroon colored pants when he left home on a bicycle. Whosoever come across the lad is requested to contact mobile number 825-893-6614 or the nearest police station. Manipur Drivers Welfare Association MDWA in a press release condoled the untimely demise of its former treasurer Wairokpam Robin from Kaishampat, Laimajam, Leikai. Voluntary blood donation camp and campaign 2019 was held at CJ Blood Bank and Transfusion Services, Langol, in a view of Mother's Day 2019. Lifesavers Manipur, HDFC Bank Imphal, St. John Foundation Imphal, CJ Academy of Nursing, CJ Paramedical Research Academy, State Blood Cell, NHM, and CJ Blood Bank and Transfusion Services, Langol, jointly conducted the camp, where 55 volunteers donated blood. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA carried out an awareness program against intoxicants for students of Stanford Fortune School in Nachau today. Resource persons stressed on role of peer pressure on intoxicants abuse among students in the event. CADA urged the students to make healthy choices and abstain from drug abuse. And now the sports news. Tata Trust and Center for Microfinance Livelihood, an initiative of Tata Trust, jointly organized Asian Football Confederation AFC Grassroots Day observance at the playground of Eastern Sporting Union in Palace Compound today. YAS Director Armstrong Pame, IAS, AIFF Head of Grassroots and AFC Grassroots Panel Member Anju Turambekar, Director of Tata Trust Vishwanath Sinha, ESU General Secretary Dr. R.K. Nimai, IAS retired. Many grassroots leaders and footballers coming from various parts of the state attended the event. Football clubs across the Asian countries observed the day under the aegis of Asian Football Confederation to serve as a platform to spread awareness about grassroots football and its benefits, especially to young footballers between the age of 16 to 12. 2 girl and 2 boy footballers were felicitated in the event along with their family members as an encouragement for their enthusiasm in football sports.
I would like to personally thank Tata Trust, led by Vishwanath, Rajesh, and his team for taking a keen interest towards building future and the present football scenarios of Manipur. Tata Trust has not given up on building football in Manipur. They have done their best. They've worked out all the possibilities to make sure that irrespective of whatever problems come, we're still committed to building football in the state. And we're very happy that today it has come to what it is, because of their efforts.
Bir Chandra Memorial Sporting Club Taubungkok also held AFC Grassroots Day observance at TBSFA Playground in Patsoi constituency today. BMSC General Secretary D.H. Dilip Kumar, NIS Master of Physical Education, AFC C license holder Vishal Kashwam, AFC C license holder K. Somorjit, and family members of many sports persons attended the event.
Ngasi adumba World AFC Grassroots Day asida Besana Memorial Sporting Club na Tabaspagi ground da sigumba grassroots players singbu emphasis piduna amadi nauriba grassroots players singi skill sing ase fazna exposure tawduna AFC football grassroots football gi magi theme samagi matungina let us play haba asumba theme da ngasi yam successful oina pangthokli.
National Sports Academy in a press release notified that names of eligible candidates for admission to Class 6 in the Academy for academic session 2019-20 are listed at the Notice Board of Administrative Office of the Academy in Koman, Lampak. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Relevant authorities shame nationwide Swachh Bharat mission and Swachh Sarvekshan scheme in Manipur by failing to clear garbage in Hata. Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal and Traffic Police jointly raise awareness on traffic signals and traffic rules to avoid road mishaps. And Tangal Naga villages of Mayankangning Thopam village holds Jangi Hangi festival celebrations with traditional fervor and gaiety.